Hey everyone! Man, today's episode is gonna be painful. At least for me. I think you guys are gonna have fun. So one of my friends has kindly provided me with entertainment for this COVID lockdown quarantine period. And what I have here is five different kinds of chilies, peppers. Um, One of them is really spicy. I've actually tried it yesterday, so I know this is really good. Um, I like spice. I take very spicy food, and in Singapore I usually take the bird eye chili, the chili padi. Um, that's one of my favorite things to have with food. So I have done some research, and one of these, the spiciest, is the Apache, and that is spicier than the bird's eye chili, the chili padi. So I'm gonna have that on film, so you guys can see how good this thing is. To give you more info, I while I can take spicy food, I'm not immune to the effects of spicy food, so I am definitely going to be sweating, and yeah, in fact, maybe I should prepare some tissue paper. Okay, let's go. So the biggest, the least spicy. Mm. So this actually tastes like a capsicum. Really sweet. Lots of flavor. So I prepared two of each. I'm gonna start with the biggest and work my way down. Cause size matters, and not what you think. The smaller, the bigger the punch. Alright. That was like a good appetizer. Now this guy. I think this is a bonito. Bonito. And this is supposedly gonna be pretty spicy. You can definitely taste the spice once you bite into it. It's a nice kind of spice though. Flavorful. It's like it has the sweetness of the capsicums, but with this kick at the end. So I don't want to bore you guys with this, so I'm just gonna have two of each. Good stuff. Alright, now the fun parts. So we're getting smaller with the peppers now. I don't know what this is, but looks pretty spicy. Okay, this tastes like the bird's eye chili. Pretty good. It has a thicker, fleshy part of it. Very little seeds. Oh man, I feel the spice already. Second one. Yeah, this has less of the sweetness. So I'm definitely gonna put down the names of these peppers so that everyone knows what I'm eating. Alright, this one. Getting to the second of the last. Wow, one of these has definitely is causing me to like sweat. I feel the burn on my tongue. Not a bad thing. I like that feel, but yeah, I can't wait for the Apache. So this is not Apache. This is something else. Again, I'll label it. I think this might be actually less spicy than the previous one. Second one. Alright, so I'm done with everything except the Apache. You can see it over here. Keeping the best for last. I'm really starting to sweat. So, whew, the Apache. Let's do it. Very small guy. Look at that, it's tiny. It's barely the size of my fingernail. Ooh. Alright, with the Apache, once you bite into it, you definitely know this guy is spicy. You can smell it before you actually bite into it. Oh, I'm sweating. One of my favorite things to do with chilies is to have like a bite of food, like, you know, it could be like grilled chicken or beef or whatever it is, and then have a bite of a chili. Whew. Oh man, the Apache, you can feel the burn. So like I said, not immune to the effects. So the faucet is on. Whew. But yeah, I mean, I love spice because of the kick that it gives me. I think it just adds such a complex dimension to food. And that's the 5 different kinds of chilies. Oh, I'm gonna get some water. Oh boy. Hahaha. Sweating, running nose. Oh. And my tongue, oh, it's really burning. I took a chili challenge in Germany once. It was this currywurst chain, and yeah, different grades of chili. Can't remember the name of the chain. But yeah, the challenge. The spiciest was, I think, the ghost pepper. I think. Ooh, and this is nowhere close to that. That was super spicy. When I had it, the initial taste was masked by the currywurst sauce. Oh, the curry. So I had it and you wouldn't feel anything for the first like 30 seconds. And then it hits you. Oh gosh. This is kind of like that too. But less debilitating. I definitely feel the burn. It's like at the back of my tongue. Just hits you again and again and again. Oh, you can see the sweat really happening. Oh my god. So yeah, the Apache is fun. I definitely know it's the Apache that's causing this. But I wouldn't be taking it on a normal basis like this. Mix it up, maybe put it in a curry or put it in a stew. Maybe some pasta sauce. That would be nice. But oh wow, this is, whew. This is great. But yeah. Good fun. Great start to a Thursday. Oh no, Wednesday actually. Oh man. It is painful. But happy I did this. Oh man. I hope you guys have fun too.